ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟಿ.ಎಂ. ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಹೆ ವಿವಿ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಮದಾಸ್ ಎಂ. ಪೈ ಅವರ ಪತ್ನಿ ವಸಂತಿ ಪೈ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು. ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೆ.ಕೆ. ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿ ಮಾಹೆಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿದೆ. ಒಡಿಶಾದ ಉದಯೋನ್ಮುಖ ಕಲಾವಿದ ಚಿತ್ರಂಜನ್ ಮಹಾರಾಣಾ ಅವರು ಇದರ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇವರು ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮಖರಾನ ಬಳಿ ಅಮೃತಶಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು 8 ಟನ್ ತೂಕವಿದ್ದು ಒಡಿಶಾದಿಂದ ಮಣಿಪಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆರಂಭದಿಂದಲೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ವೇತನ, ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಎಂದು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ರೇಖಾರಾವ್ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಬಹಳ ಕಲಾ ವಿವರವನ್ನು ಕಲಾವಿದರನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರಂಜನ್ ಅವರ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
And what better way to commemorate and make it memorable than to donate a work of art to a prestigious university like Manipal. We are indeed very fortunate having sunshine today when it has been raining all last week. You have this beautiful weather and you have had a chance to this lovely piece of art. Born in Kattingeri, my father went to Mumbai to study at the J.J. School of Art and later to Paris for further studies. But when he came back to India, it was a great struggle for him to establish himself as an artist. And it took him more than 30-40 years to reach where he reached. And it has been a long struggle for him. Realizing this, he said, why don't I do something for the newcoming, the talented young artists of India? So he founded a trust, K.K. Hebbar Art Foundation, in 1993. From then onwards, for the last 20 years, we have been supporting and encouraging artists, young artists, by giving them awards, scholarships, and residency programs. We encourage that. And you won't believe, we are so thrilled and happy to know that among all those artists we supported, about 80% have made their mark in the national and international art field. This has given us some joy and happiness, because my father was exactly thinking in those terms of how to promote art. And after independence, he thought that art was not given enough weightage till Panditji started, he made it compulsory, I think, that even the corporate sector, keep a certain percentage of the profit for the encouragement of the arts. So, K.K. Hebbar Art Foundation decided to donate a piece of art to an education institution which is already very aware of art and the importance of it in the lives of the students and people visiting here.
About the sculpture, I depict the concept about the sculpture is the earth being safe. And personally, I feel in society, we are the human being living in the society. The society has many problems we faced. We know about the problems. We always thinking about the changing the problem to solve out the problems. But the earth, I just depict in the problems in earth in the sculpture. The one side I depicted a banana tree. The banana tree as indicated as the superstition. We cannot grow, we cannot success under superstitions, under problems. There is many problems in societies. And the banana tree, under the banana tree, there is something depict like creepers. It cannot be moved vertically.